और इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री के मीडिया सलाहकार पंकज पचौरी मीडिया से मुखातिब हैं। सीधे चलते हैं।
Many of you were present there, and he replied to 43 questions and in 90 minutes. So it's not that the Prime Minister has not been talking, but because of the media mix, the kind of media we have today, his message is not as strong as it should have been. But media is free in our country. The government or no one can decide that the media will have 10% of sports and 10% of politics and 10% of development. It's up to the media. It's self-regulated. The Prime Minister has said at a number of occasions that media has to be self-regulated, be it in print or be it on television. So that has been up this thing. I'll just end by saying that the India you are sitting today in, the India you witness today, and this is, I have culled out all the speeches he's been making, and these are the facts from the Prime Minister's more than 1,000 speeches. And if you look at these figures, so you'll realize that the India we witness today, almost half of it was achieved in the last 10 years. I will not bore you with the figures. I'll upload this on our Twitter website. And just 2 or 3 things I'd like to say. That the kind of economic growth we have seen in the last 10 years has not been witnessed in any country. In any country which is democratic, which has a multi-party democracy, and which has a coalition government.
प्रधानमंत्री के मीडिया सलाहकार पंकज पचौरी को सुन रहे थे आप। पंकज पचौरी का ये कहना था कि पिछले 10 सालों में प्रधानमंत्री ने जितने भी भाषण दिए हैं, जितने भी स्पीचेस दिए हैं, उसमें जितने भी वादे किए गए हैं, उसमें आधे से ज्यादा अचीव हो चुके हैं। पिछले 10 साल में जिस तरह का आर्थिक विकास हिंदुस्तान ने देखा है, वैसा पूरी दुनिया में नजर नहीं आया। आगे बढ़ते हुए इस वक्त एक ब्रेकिंग न्यूज आ रही है, बड़ी खबर आ रही है। और